Hello everyone, so today we shall be continuing from what we left in the previous video. I shall be running you through some tools. So now we have a geometry, and if you remember that I said to you that each of the partitions start to behave as an individual space. So you can call it a space, or OpenStudio calls it a space, and the space has surfaces which you can see by clicking this particular tool. As you can see, wall, and this one is shown as field. So today we shall be learning to render the surfaces. By rendering, I mean to say that you need to look at the certain aspects of the surfaces. If I isolate this one, I can see that this surface has a outside boundary condition of outdoors, which is sun exposed and wind exposed. But if you see here, it shouldn't be the same case for this particular surface, but it's showing the same for it. We cannot proceed to do our calculations, so we will be using tool known as surface matching. You see, so you will be clicking on intersecting and then you should be clicking on matching model. Now if you see here, it shows you that it is not exposed to sun and wind. No sun, no wind. You can also render it by these icons. If you see this, the blue color shows that the surface is outdoors, and if the surface is indoor, it should show the green color. As we can see here, it is happening. There are certain other rendering modes which are rendering by constructions, rendering by space type, rendering by thermal zone, rendering by building story. We shall be talking about them in our next video. Thank you.